Hi folks, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2025 Avenger 27RBS. This one we call the Bathroom Bonanza trailer because it has the best bathroom of any trailer we've ever sold. We think you're going to love it. Come check it out. On the outside, we've got a power tongue jack, dual propane tanks, battery disconnect on the front. You've got great storage underneath the bed area here. Comes equipped with a light as well. And then you've got a nice large awning, solid step entry. And then wakey, eggs and bakey, you've got an outdoor kitchen here with a pull-out grill and your nice little fridge, as well as a little spigot hose that you can use for washing stuff. Just a great little outdoor kitchen. It's on the outside. Let's go inside and check it out. So I'm standing behind the rear bath 27-foot Avenger 2025 RBS. And you can see here, you've got a large dinette. So what's nice is you can get 6 adults around this, no problem. It's got a nice large window and it's nice and bright. But as well, you've got drawers underneath it for storage, and it'll turn into a bed for an adult, which is really great. So if you've got a guest or an older, maybe adult child that comes with you once in a while, great option. Recliners, which is really nice. You've got these dual Thomasville recliners, which is right across from your 50-inch television, your beautiful gray stone fireplace area, and then lots of storage underneath there for shoes and whatnot. You've got some pantry storage here as well, which is great. And then you've got this beautiful new fridge, which is a French door style fridge with the freezer on the bottom, oven, glass top stove, microwave, and then great little undermount farmhouse sink. You've got drawers, you've got cabinets for days, great kitchen area. So just a great layout, great living layout in this trailer. Check out the bedroom. You've got a pocket door entry into a walk around queen bed with storage all the way around. And then you've got a window there for some nice cross breeze. In this trailer, the heat is ducted through the floor. The air conditioning is ducted through the ceiling. But this is the pièce de résistance on this trailer. We call this one the Bathroom Bonanza because check out this washroom. People have loved this washroom for years. One of the conundrums with trailers is often in the washroom, you have enough room to maybe go to the washroom, have a shower, but really you can't get dressed in the washroom. Well, if you check out this washroom, you can have a shower, you can have a party in this washroom. It's got tons of storage, so you could actually store your clothing in the washroom of this trailer and get dressed, as well as your towels in the washroom and all your washroom stuff. You've got lots of room around the toilet, and then check out the size of this shower and a nice large vanity. So this is like 2 of us right now are standing in this washroom, and there's just tons of room. So if a small bathroom in a trailer is one of those things that you just can't stand, come on out and see the 2025 Avenger 27RBS. Always been a popular model for us. Available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.